how to share phone screen and control it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how you can easily share your phone screen and control it using your PC. So to do that, first thing what you want to do is you will need an application that is Home Link. So make sure you have already downloaded and installed the application. In most of the cases, it's automatically installed with Windows. If it's not, you can always download it from your Microsoft Store as well. And once you open the application, you will be given an QR code. So you just need a link to Windows application on your mobile device as well, from which you want to share your screen to, and basically just connect to your mobile network. So first thing what you want to do is after connecting it, just make sure your mobile device as well as your PC is connected to the same network. And once you do all of that, make sure your mobile device is in close range, and finally it will be connected just like this. And as you can see, now to use it, you can basically tap on this Control P or just tap on this phone screen over here, or you can also tap on this open phone screen and it will automatically open the phone screen just like this. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, it has also shown that all of the application installed currently on my device. And now just like that, as you can see, my phone screen has appeared over here and I can easily start using all of my phone applications just like that. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.